Hello guys, this is Chen from Magic. This is our star machine using 3 meters by 1.5 meters working area. Laser cutting offers increased speed, accuracy, and it's much safer to operate with CNC machining. It can cut complex shapes, regardless of the size. Laser cutting can also offer high-quality finishes for even the most demanding of projects. There is no warping on smooth finishes. It will not damage the material surface. The cutting edge is smooth and does not require reworking. This enables businesses to produce more and faster. Customer design using our machine are very precise, which means that you can count on our high quality.